guys. So this is the new rifle stock, fitted to the 243. I prefer the look of the wood stock, but it is quite nice, very well made. If I grab the barrel and pull it this way, it does sort of flex, but I mean, I've got a lot of leverage pushing up on that end of the stock. But this is alloy bedded in this section here, and I believe it possibly goes into the handle. This stock has so much clearance of the barrel. There's no way that's touching. You can't really see it in the camera, but you can sort of see marks where the bluing's starting to wear when the old stock was hitting the barrel on both sides. So it's probably a good thing that I did change over to this stock. But it was the quickest install that I've done of a rifle, because it's literally probably took 10 minutes max, with me doing things not very efficiently, but it works. And you know, you've got adjustable nut on this side to lift this up if you want to change length of pull. Sorry, not length of pull, the cheek riser. But for where my scope is mounted, it's good where it is. It's comfortable. I could probably add a couple more spaces in here, but I mean, it's still comfortable to shoot even though it's close. Well, I haven't shot it yet, but it's still comfortable to hold. A little bit heavier than the wood stock. I was surprised that it was heavier than the wood stock, but overall, with everything on it, it's still quite a light field rifle. So, that being said, look, field stock and MDT feels nice in the hand. Yeah, that is how it is. Hope you enjoyed the video. This will probably be the last stock install for quite some time, because not that you would be able to see because it's dark, but basically all my rifles have non-standard stocks now. I don't even think, do I have a light? Oh, I can't use my light on my phone when using ultra wide lens. Oh, maybe if I just go like that, then I could go boop. There we go. So, you know, 6.5 Creedmoor's had a chassis for quite a while. That's now the 300 Win Mag, which is had to have the buttstock taken off just to be able to fit it in the safe. Otherwise it smashes up the top there. My 308, which is in an MDT Oryx stock. And then you just got my shotgun and 22 long rifle. And the 22 long rifle is just a cheapo Puma. But yeah, basically I'm like MDT fanatic. And I think I need a bigger safe, because it's just getting ridiculous trying to fit all this shit in here. There's like literally no space. I'll chuck this in. Oh, yeah. It's a bit of a struggle to try and get everything in there. It's probably not the best that I've got that resting on the scope, but I mean, fuck, what else am I supposed to do? It doesn't fit in here. Safe's too big. Anyway, it is what it is. Even the 6.5, like, is only just missing the top. And shotgun is like touching. That's fucking stupid. But anyway. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you later.